Okay, today on the bench we've got this mobile satellite tracking station made by Yonezawa in Japan. This is about 1959, so it's about 64 years old. This is a very minty example, but it didn't do anything when you put batteries in it. So I mean, you have to open it up, and it's particularly difficult to open up, well, the car-type toys for one, but also the ones that have levers and controls that come out from the outside, and you know they're connected to the part that has to come off from the inside, and they go through a bumper which is riveted in place and blah blah blah. So once I got it apart, I found that power leaving the battery box was not making it through the switch for the forward and reverse, so I had to take the switch apart and get that going. Then found that when power was applied, the motor wasn't running, probably from sitting for so many years, so cleaned the contacts, lubed it up, got the motor running. What else? The light was okay, got that going. You've got adjustable steering on the front end. You can move this so it can go in circles or go forward or whatever you want. We'll have moving pictures in the picture screen. You got your drivers. That. Now in the controls, you've got a mechanical control that says stop, and that means it disengages the wheels, so you can freewheel it. If you put it in go, then the wheels are driven by the motor. The motor itself has an on-off switch, off, reverse, and forward, so you can select which way you want it to go. And the whole point of being able to turn the wheels off is in case you want it to sit there and run and just have the TV screen and rotating antenna going. Like this. So we've got it in stop, so we'll turn it on. And there's also a squeaker in there to add some sort of sci-fi sound to it. Okay, then let's engage the wheels. It moves really quickly. And we can go in reverse. So you can see it really trucks along. So there you have it. It's your satellite monitor, United States Guided Missile Center, Cape Canaveral. What else could they put on their mobile satellite tracking station by Yonezawa in Japan, 1959.